Everybody desires a great life. How many people do you know that they grew up and said, I want to be a real loser. That's what I want to be when I grow up. I want to be addicted and frustrated and depressed, and I want to make sure I'm broke, and I want to be sick, and I want to be tired. I want to be a loser when I grow up. No. So how is it that we get into these situations? And it is step by step. So people say, I want to have a great life. So they tell me, I just want to have a great life. And I go, well, guess what? A great life is made of great years. And great years are made of great months. And great months are made of great weeks. And great weeks are made of great days. And if we could keep going, great days are made of great minutes. Let's take back this minute. Let's take back this day. Let's take back this morning. You're here. You want this outcome of a great life. I agree. So do I. We've got to back it up now. Remember, we talked about going back to the basics. We've got to back it up. How are you stewarding the gift of your life? How are you stewarding the gift of time? How are you stewarding your body, the things that God has given you?